Okay, so the instruction says I need to do 1/8 of an inch pilot hole, and I drew these three because there are three of them, and these are the sealer that I use, and this is the 1/8 of an inch, and it's still too small. You know, these are the two screws that came with the kit or the transducer, and you can see the 1/8 inch is just too small because I'm actually drilling into the wood. So I'm going to use something slightly bigger than this, and probably this guy here. Let's see if this is 1/8 of an inch. This is 64.9. Okay, so 64/9 inch, and let's see if this is gonna work. The drill is bigger. Okay. 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 Ooh, cracking up. Let me put the screw back in again and see if it's gonna work this time. Oh golly, fiberglass is actually torn apart. Maybe to go to the next one. Let's see if this is gonna work. Yeah, still not working. I need to go to the next one. Still very tight. Okay. Ooh. Boy, fiberglass is cracking up. This one is 32.5. Let's see if this is gonna work. Still very tight. God. I need to go to the next one. This one is 64.11. 64.11. 64.12 will be 1/4 inch. I kept using bigger drill bits in order to see if it's gonna work. So hopefully this is gonna work. mounted it, and let's see my horizontal ruler to see if it's level. Seems to me here it's a little bit too low, so maybe this one I need to tilt it higher. Lower, there you go. So that is horizontal. See there, you know, so there is the mounting thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna screw this tight. There you go. That's as tight as it can be. So I didn't use the two big screws, 1¼ inch, that I was supposed to use. I just used the small 4 screws. I used 3 of the 4 screws that came in the kit, in the transducer kit. And the drill bit I use is 64/11 inch. 11/64 inch, 11/64 inch. If it's a 1/4 inch, then it's 16/64 inch. So this is, you know, 2 sizes smaller than the 1/4 inch. And if it's 1/8 of an inch, then it's 8/64 inches. So this is 3 sizes over the 1/8 of an inch.